everyone, welcome to my second video. Today we're playing Airplane Story 2. Yesterday I made a video on Airplane Story 1 and we're playing the Airplane series of Story 2. Hope you enjoy. We'll just choose a random room. No! Oh, just made it! We just made it! Let's go. Okay, we're in. Oh, hello mermaid. Sam the mermaid. Ha ha ha. First class, baby! Okay, we have the Airplane Story 2 logo right now. Okay, let's stop. Time to cook this game up. Can't go up. Okay. Hi, Sam. Oh, you're not a mermaid. You're a ghost fish, right? My name is Kel. I will be your pilot in this movie. Okay. As you can probably tell, this is not a regular plane. What is this plane? Ladies and gentlemen, I welcome you to the 991 President. You heard right. The President would like to celebrate personally with you guys. the president is going to get so mad. Oh shoot, now what do we do? Please find something to clean out this mess, or else we have to lock dork XV for the rest of the day. Oh shoot! I remember there's a broom somewhere. Oh yeah, over here. Get it. Ah, we're dead. So red, huh? Talk. Build that brick wall. Huh? Wait, what? I'm sorry. It's a habit. Anyways, welcome to your first flight on my airplane. My name is Rondo. I'm the president. Sorry to interrupt you, Mr. President. I can't do anything. The food is not ready. Why? I believe the chef messed up. Why did the chef mess up? No! Who the chef popped up the plate? Hey, don't be so mean. I'm gonna smack you. We'll take care of him, President, Mr. President. What do we do now? Better join control. You look like a great chef. Me again? Seriously? Why do I get chosen every single time? I have never cooked before. Well, you better learn, or else I'm throwing you out of the plane. Hey, that's no way to honor a hero. I'm gonna smack you. Oh no, I'm in the kitchen now. Oh no, guys, no! Visual control. I'll tell you the ingredients and you have to find them and drop them into the soup before the time runs out. Bet. Okay, tell me it. I'm not gonna speak anymore since I'm very into this. If you grab the wrong thing, you have to throw it in the trash can. I'm not ready yet. It's time to. Okay, let's cook. Why is the corn so big? I can't put it in. A banana soup? A banana apple soup? A potato Open up! Open up! Here, I'm in. Okay. Time to get working in these hacking computers. Welcome to the computer room. Okay. You're going the wrong way, guys. It's over here. We use this room to protect any cybernetic attack. The president is waiting in the room. Okay. In order to protect the president, we created a secret code that unlocks the door. Now, you must try to figure out the code. Okay. Good luck, hackers. Red. So do we match it? All the computers red. Easy. It's all red now, over on my side. Okay, maybe we just put this last one in, is it? Just click on it. Just click it. Guys, just click. It won't become red. Oh, we did it. And now, that was really easy, okay? What is that kind of crap? This is the easiest thing in the world. Oh, wait. Oh. There's the pilot cabin. Let's see if we can see. I can literally see the pilot through the window. I can't see the face. It's happy. Okay, it's not black. This place is actually so luxury. Time to pee on the bed. Wait, what is this? What is this? 1 out of 7? What is this? Is there any more? I don't see any. Can we see out the door and see? No? No, I don't see we can find any more papers. Okay, time to sleep, guys. Sleep in the dark. Okay. Oh, I'm still looking. Where's the president? It's nighttime already. Okay, I'm just gonna stay out here in case something else happens. I can't sleep. Okay. There is something about this flight that seems very creepy to me. Guys, the curtain. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! What's here? What's here? What's here? I can't see it. I can't see it. Oh, it's that monster, but it's on fire for some reason. I'm gonna stay away from this moron. Oh no, it's monster. Have you forgot me this early? Oh shoot! Fire! Get out! Get out! Where's the fire? Oh shoot! Dead end! Dead end! Dead end! Wait, no dead end! We could go here. Come on, come on, come on, come on, penguin! I did it! I did it! I'm going up in case the floor turns into fire. And just in case. Oh wait, I see another one. Oh, 2 out of 7. Okay, very nice. Are we safe now? Probably. The floor! Oh shoot! Get on something! Get on something high. Oh no! We lost Sam! Shoot! Oh no, we're getting burned alive! We're dead. We're dead. We're dead. Wait, what? Wait, Sam! He revived! Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Wait, I can't get out. Why can't I get out? No. We're stuck! What happened? What happened? Guys, the phone is ringing. We should pick it up. Okay. We picked it up. Hello? Who's there? Is the floor's lava again? I'm going up. Hey guys, I'm glad you picked up. Okay, so something terrible is happening on this plane. What? You don't say. What? I can't tell you much through the phone. I need you guys to come to the pilot cabin. Okay. The problem is the door is locked. Just give me a minute while I try to open it. Okay. Get closer while I do that. But be careful. The monster might still be around. Okay. Let's go. Sam revived outside of the cabin. You will not escape in time. Mwahahahahaha. Oh no! Don't tell him. Don't let him grab you. Oh shoot! Oh shoot! Run! 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 It's a dead end. Oh no! We have to run away so he won't be able to grab us. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! The monster flies. Oh shoot! We're dead. The door's open! Get in! Get in! Quick! Quick! Everyone! Get in! Quick! Get in! Oh, we're in! We're in! Phew! Oh, I lost a bunch of health. No! I don't think anyone can survive that without losing any health. Okay. Great. Everyone is here. I'm gonna be the co-pilot. What is going on? I don't know. Well, you say. We saw that monster again. Oh no! Now what happens? Did he follow us in here? Probably not. It doesn't follow you in here. It made you come here. Now what? I knew there was something wrong here. What is this airplane? Airbus A340? The good news is, I'm not just a pilot. You're a military dude? I'm also a secret agent, and I know a lot about this monster. Really? He once used to be a human, but he had no friends. As a matter of fact, no one ever liked him. And there was something about planes. He was always obsessed with planes. Wait, is there another note here? Read news about a plane crash? Me too. That's actually what I like. So he tried to make a plane crash himself. Oh, luckily, he died of a heart attack the day he was about to do it. His spirit still chases people like you guys. Because he blames you for his death. Why? Why? What do we do? Now that you know the story about the monster, you must know he can take anything. Cap. He could be any agent or even the president. But I'm not sure yet. Oh, shoot. Maybe the president is? I don't know. I only played the game to take this gun. We have a gun! We have a gun! Me, I'm doing it. No! Sam, get off! Alright, good luck, guys. Sam, you're gonna make us all die. Sam, we are dead. Does it even work though? Because we're at the end of the game. There you are. We've been looking for you. Really? I can't see you. It's over. We've discovered you, monster. Wait up. Put that gun down. What are you doing? We know about the plane to kill us. We know one of you is the monster. The agent. Probably the agent. You are making a huge mistake. We are not monsters. I don't trust you. Yeah, kill the agent! Kill the agent! The agent! Come on, kill the agent! Right now, please. Sam, one shot. Oh, shoot. Who is it? Like I said, you made a huge mistake. We are dead. We are dead! We are so dead. Fudge. You are dead. We are dead. It's funny how you keep calling me monster. But I look at you. But look at what you did. Oh shoot! Please! No! All of you are the real monsters. What did we do? Worth it. Now I can take your souls. Oh bad ending. Guys, bad ending. Bad ending. I don't blame him. We discovered a new ending anyways. Dang it. We crashed. Airplane Story 2? The end. Well, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you for watching. Leave a like and comment down below. Bye. Wait a minute. I can't get this off. What just happened? Oh, yeah. Thing. Bye, guys.